Cut the pieces out on the fabric following the pattern you've cut out. Don't forget to transfer all the markings. First, sew the side face to the horn on the same side. Sew the top headpiece to the two horns on the other side. Join the three head parts, making sure the furry sides are together. Trim the excess clothes for a clean turn. Now, attach the legs to the body sides. Snap little notches around the curvy parts. Check your pieces right sides together, and that it'll look right when flipped. And that's the two body sides sewn up. Up next, sewing the belly to the inner legs. Just trace one thin side. For the other, cut a slightly larger piece of fabric. Place the fan wherever you like. Sew it facing downward. Sew the body sides together along the back center. Attach the head to the back. Sew those two parts together. Almost done! Remember to leave a gap for turning. Use tweezers to carefully turn the whole doll inside out. Use tweezers to fluff up the edges around the horns and limbs for a cleaner outline. Next, sew the last part. First, sew one side along the marks, then fold and stitch the other side. Sew the two wing sides together to form a complete wing. Turn it right side out, then close the opening with a ladder stitch. Wings done! Now for the final step, inserting the wire frame. Using 2mm aluminum wire. Regular tape works if you don't have medical tape. Bend the wire to match the wing's curve, then cut it with some extra length. Wrap the wire ends with tape. Insert the wire into the wing, following its edge. Sew a short section along the seam with matching thread. This secures the wire to prevent shifting. So we can stitch it at the bend to secure. Make the other wing the same way. Then take wire more than twice the body length and fold it in half. Bend the wire into a spoon shape about chin size for the head frame. Starting from the neck, twist the two wires together. Keep the length near the tail tip, then cut it. Wrap the wire ends with tape. Starting from the tail, insert the frame into the body. Cut a small opening on the back for the wings. Be careful not to cut too much. First, thread the wire through the hole. Then use tweezers to tuck in the wing fabric. step is tricky. Let's be patient, you got this. Just tweak it a bit. Sew the wing root to the back opening. Make the other wing the same way. Cross the two wires under the body frame and twist them together. Now let's check the frame from the outside. The wing frames cross under the body frame. Sorry, I didn't align them to the center line when recording. This is how the finished frame looks. Time to add the stuffing. First, stuff the small areas like horns and limbs. Stuff little by little. Evenly stuff around the head frame, keeping it centered in the cotton. Use the ladder stitch to close the opening. Awesome! Your baby dragon is all done.